In that we are going to discuss about what is empathy, define, ideate and prototype part, and how we are going to, if we want to develop a project in digital electronics, we will discuss about how we are going to develop that particular project based on the design thinking methodology. Like in empathy part, what are the things we are going to do, and ideate, prototype and testing. These things will comes under design thinking project, these projects. So let's start discussion about design thinking, what approach on digital electronics. Now who is going to start about empathy part?
Let me start with the education. Digital electronics plays a major role to create a modern technology in the world. It is a backbone of a modern technology which undergoes binary logics, where the signals are represented by zeros and ones. This branch of electronics underpins devices from calculators to advanced computers and many communication systems.
Okay. In the empathy part, we are having if we are having any issues that will becomes under that what we are facing in real times, that comes under the empathy part. Based on the empathy, we can defining the problem statements and the prototype model. This we will develop. So next one, who is going to discuss about the defining part?
Yeah, ma'am. Let me discuss about the design stage. In digital electronics, the solution is fully based on gates, and we are using several logic gates according to the function we are going to use. So, for basic operations like in fridge or in fridge like applications, we use logic gates like AND, NOT, and OR gates. For major applications, we use a NOR gate and the combination of two gates, NAND, NOR, XOR, etc. So using these gates, we can obtain the exact accuracy and the precision. It ensures the reliability.
In defining part, we have discussed about the problem statement, what we have defined in the empathy part. Then the problem statement has to be solved in defined part. And in ideate also, we have to develop the idea based on the problem statement that we have discussed in empathy part. So who is going to discuss about an ideate part and design?
Coming to the ideate part, we can keep the ideate part as a conclusive part, because we will be getting more solutions in the defined part, and we will be concluding with the one simple solution which will be more efficient to the prototype stage. So that taking a single statement in ideate part, and we will be developing our own prototype. In ideate part, we will be considering several considerations. That means how effective will be the solution, how compact will be the solution, what will be the changes will be happening in the society or in the particular region we are going to implement it. We will be considering these parts, and we will be giving a prototype solution. For example, let us consider a medical project. In medical projects, there are several patient monitoring systems. So now the latest trend is that we are going to implement the patient monitoring BPM levels will be monitored in a particular app called ThinkSpeak. The ThinkSpeak is an open source application, so that the patient BPM will be monitored through ThinkSpeak mobile app. So that if we are implementing this in all hospitals, there will be several patients. That means hundreds of patients there, and monitoring each and every patient won't be a proper method. So that digitally monitoring them using these kind of applications will be more reliable for the hospitals. So that is the idea.
Okay. In the ideate part, we have next one is a prototype. What we have discussed in the ideate part, that we are going to develop a prototype model of that ideation. Who is going to discuss about prototype?
Digital electronics are widespread applications. Core components of computers and digital systems. It is essential in telecommunication, control system in manufacturing and robotics, medical devices and monitoring systems. For example, digital cameras.
In prototype, we have developed a model. After developing that model, we are going to test that model, whether it is working fine or not. So next phase is a testing phase.
Who is going with the testing part? After prototype, we need to test that device or a component or that project.
In that, we will know about some advantages and disadvantages after testing. Advantages of digital electronics means it is a high speed and accuracy and precision, and also it has a storage friendly and easily programmable. When we are going with the disadvantages means it is initial cost is high, and also it is a low power consumption, and also it is, the design complexity is more, and also there is a switching speed is less.
Okay guys, we have a nice discussion on design based digital electronics. So thank you for your valuable time that you given to me. Thank you.
Thank you.